Good afternoon. Today we're looking at writing equations of lines in a point-slope form. This is the generic way of writing that point-slope form, where we have a y written in the equation minus a point, the y-coordinate of the point that the line goes through. We're going to set that equal to the slope of the line that we've been given. That's why we call this a point and slope. And then we're going to multiply that times x minus the x-coordinate of the point that it goes through. So, if you're given those two informations, if you're told a point, by the way, if you're looking at it written in this form, the point, the x-coordinate that's being subtracted, and the y-coordinate that's being subtracted is the point that it's going through. And then slope, of course, is the m that we've been using as the slope, letter for slope. So what we're doing today is learning how to write in this point-slope form based on the fact that you're going to be told that a line goes through a point and that it has a slope of some value. So really all this is just learning how to substitute those values into where you see up into this equation. So we're going to have y minus 3, which is the y-coordinate of the point that it goes through, y minus. Well, that's going to be set equal to the slope, writing 1/2 for m, times x minus, again, the x-coordinate of the point that the line goes through. That's it. That's how we write it. So if we're given the slope, and we're giving a point that the line goes through, that's how we write the equation for that slope. I'll give you another example, because if the point happens to have a negative value in it, -1 and -4, and the point that it goes through has negative values, and let's say the slope is -1/3. Again, I'm going to use it as an example. We're going to go y minus the y-coordinate of the point that it goes through. Well, the y-coordinate is -4. Minus the -4 is positive. A positive 4 plus a positive. So we change the sign of what we're subtracting and make it have that equal to, using that simple rule that we learned back in pre-algebra. And then the slope again is 1/3. Writing that for m. And then we're going to multiply that by x minus, again, what's the x-coordinate? -1. Well, minus the -1 is plus a positive. So those are two means, those are two ways, and that's how we write the equation. Hey, we are the Ask Academy.